To prepare a pure sample of para-nitroacetylenide from acetanilide, okay, take 2 gram powder of acetanilide, transfer 2 gram of acetanilide powder in a beaker, okay, then dissolve 2 gram of powder acetanilide in 2 ml of glycyl acetic acid in a beaker. So addition of 2 ml glycyl acetic acid in 2 gram of acetanilide powder with constant stirring. Okay, we have to mix well. So we have to add 4 ml concentrated sulfuric acid. So sulfuric acid you have to add gradually, stirring for the mixture of acetanilide and acetic acid. Okay, this mixture becomes hot and clear solution. Now cool the reaction mixture in ice bath. Maintain the temperature at 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. Okay, for that we are using this ice bath. Okay, now prepare the nitrating mixture, that is 1 ml nitric acid or 1 ml concentrated sulfuric acid. Cool this nitrating mixture in beaker containing ice. Okay, so both mixture are kept for cooling in a ice bath. Now we have to add cold nitrating mixture to the viscous mixture dropwise with constant stirring. Okay, now we'll get the clear or viscous solution. You have to constant stirring and dropwise addition of nitrating mixture to the viscous reaction mixture. So now remove the beaker from the ice bath and we have to allow the reaction mixture to attain the room temperature. Now stir the reacting mixture continuously and pour it approximately 100 gram of crushed ice. In reacting mixture we have to add 100 gram of crushed ice with constant stirring. Slowly we have to add the crushed ice into reacting mixture. Okay, now here we will get the product or compound is obtained. Okay, this our compound is obtained. Now we have to filter this compound. This is our compound. Now we have to filter this compound and we have to wash with cold water. First we will transfer this compound slowly. Filter this compound carefully. Okay. Now we have to wash the compound with cold water. This is compound obtained after filtrations. Now we are adding the cold water, so we have to give the washing to this compound by using cold water. Now after washing with cold water, we have to dry this compound between the fold of filter paper. We have to dry it properly by using filter paper. Okay, this is a crude and dry compound of para-nitroacetinylide. Now next is a recrystallization of para-nitroacetinylide. For that we have to transfer the dry compound in 20 ml ethanol for the recrystallization. Okay. We have to mix well in ethanol, stir it properly, and now we have to heat on burner to completely soluble. So while you are heating, you have to heat it carefully because it contains ethanol. Okay, now this has become clear solution of para-nitroacetinylide. Now we have to filter this. Okay, filter the hot solution very carefully. We are using cotton plug in a funnel for filtration purpose. We should collect the filter in a 100 ml beaker. So colorless crystal of the para-nitroacetinylide are obtained. Okay, while orthonitroacetinylide is more soluble in alcohol, remains in a mother liquor. Now these crystals, colorless crystal of para-nitroacetinylide are obtained while the orthonitroacetinylide is more soluble in alcohol, remains in a mother liquor. Now dry the products between the fold of filter paper. Okay, this is our dried product. So now we have to weigh this dried product. So the weight of this dry product is 0.3 gram. To prepare a pure sample of para-nitroacetinylide from